Okay, so this is for new candle makers or people who just really can't afford to purchase embeds from an outside source because you probably just starting up. Now, I call Sunday, like Sunday is embed day. Seriously, Sunday is embed day. Sunday is the day that you really sit back and just make embeds. It's like, instead of making them when you're doing your candles, that will take a very long time. So, I did learn that a long time ago. If you just sit back and you just, kind of take them and start pouring them, separating your colors and stuff like that, by the end of the day, you'll look up and you'll have a whole container of embeds already made. Now, I do have more of a detailed video linked in the description box where it just tell you how many drops to put in, like, pretty much like recipes, and that's on the back end of my website. But I wanted to show you guys these little, facts. So pretty much you go on Flexi Mode and you purchase all of these kind of molds. Like this right here is a pineapple half. It's really pretty. But then I have the one from Flexi Mode with the pineapple slices, and that is nice as well. And then you can go on there and you can find a banana half where you pretty much do your banana splits with this one. And then you have the little banana slices such as these, you can get this off of Etsy. These are the banana slices, and I got this one as well off of Etsy. You just go and purchase these things. Like, this is something that you just build up over time. Like, of course, because I do these videos, I have a lot of molds. But it's like, you don't have to do all of this at one time. You just build it up over time. And if you're going to be making, like, your first candles might be strawberry, banana, cherry, or whatever, you just go and purchase these molds. I use Etsy for a lot of my molds. And when it came down to the cherries, I know I got those off of Etsy. And then when it come down to the strawberries, I got those off of Amazon. So that was something that I had gotten in the mail very fast. Like, it was pretty much like the next day they were delivering them to my house. And then when I make my little odd stuff, like, things that's not done with, the molds that I find on Amazon, like, let's say I wanted to do some local stuff, like this comes from Michael's. Like, you can go to Michael's and buy some molds. Like, this was a little popsicle mold that I had got not too long ago, so I just did like a yellow and red popsicle. All of this is done with paraffin wax, guys. It's done with paraffin wax. I like to use paraffin wax because it's hard and they don't break up or whatever when you're taking them out the mold as easy as it would with soy wax. And you just let it sit in there and solidify for a nice amount of time. If you touch it and it's still warm, don't pull them out. Give them a little bit more time. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to go and just tell you guys that was just some quick information. Also, like, when you're doing like peaches, they sell like a peach mold on there. I had this for a long time. Ignore all of this, but this is a peach / apple mold. You can get that off of there as well. If you need to know how to do embeds, like exact recipe, like how many drops to make this color, how many drops to make that color, you could definitely go in the description box, and I have something linked on my website where it has, like, recipes where you can make your bananas and stuff, and they could be done to perfection. All right, I hope this was helpful. I hope this video was helpful for our newbies. I know it wouldn't be people that's been doing it for a while, because of course you guys already know about this kind of stuff, but I definitely want to make sure our newbies know that, there's a way that you can make your candles look pretty, and you can do these things yourself, and what kind of wax to use, and so on and so forth. All right.